Sanga abanyankore naza kubiguraho umushango umushogo w'abanyarwanda bari habona. Sanga is a good place to open the case against the people of the cattle corridor because it is only 8 kilometers from 8 miles from the highway where the eclipse of the sun of 1520 of Wirakabir happened, forcing the Banyoro king of the Banyoro of King Orimi I, Ritamahanga, to flee and abandon all the cattle he had looted from Rwanda for the Banyankole to share among themselves. 8 miles from here, the king of Bunyoro, Orimi I, was coming from stealing cows from Rwanda. And then there was the eclipse of the sun. Being primitive, he thought that the world had ended. He ran away and left all the cows, and the Banyankole took them. It is 8 miles from here. So this is a good place where to accuse you, the Banyankole. The Banyankole called those cattle Empenda ya Munoni, which means a huge herd of cows, thousands and thousands, which was found at Munoni in Isingiro.